Hey folks, here we are at Mount Rainier. We did a lot to the van. Let's go through it with you. We've finally got the storage bags that we decided for the van. And what we decided on was the Pets Fit pet carrier. They hold their shape. There's a wire frame in here that holds their shape, and they're cheaper and they'll work great for us, and it keeps with the theme of the van, which is everything's modular. So we could take these out. These will hook up. I'm going to run a piece of L-track along the inside of the van, and these will hook with carabiners up to the inside of the van. We'll show you how. We'll show you all the details. And we could pull one of these bags out or all the bags out and go with them. We could have camping supplies in here. We could have picnic supplies, whatever you need. And they open up here. You got a pouch in here. You got a side pocket. We bought 5 of them. So let's show you what we're doing in the van with these. I bought these single stud L-track clips, and what I'm going to do is run a piece of L-track the length of the van, these clips, and actually what I want to do is customize these clips. I'm going to cut this ring off with bolt cutters and put this carabiner in there so we can quick release the bags. So I'm going to cut these rings off. So with these you got to cut in 2 places. And then I hold that in. Take this. There is a spring. Just like that. Now you got this clip with a quick release. I don't need the ring. I have this L-track run above the roll bar the entire length of the van. It's just a dry fit right now, but what I'm going to do is drill all the way through. I'll C-clamp this and drill all the way through and have a bolt and nut that'll secure this. But this is how it's going to work. There's one with the carabiners and then one without that I used S-hooks. I don't like that. It wobbles around. This is a little bit more stable, plus easier to get these out when you need to get them out. Just flip that up and you're good to go.
Did you take a picture of it on the way?
Yeah. Part of the work that I did was install the new fuel pump. The original one only had 2 ports, and this new one has this 3rd port for the Webasto heater that I'll buy in the future. And the easiest way to do this is just to cut a hole in the floor here, and then I'm going to drill the cover back on.
It seems like you're doing a lot of pussyfooting around. Are you?
No. I'm going to check the vent, see how cold it is.
I feel like he's doing a lot of pussyfooting around, you guys.
So I got the hitch and I'm gonna install it. I've measured out the holes and it looks like they're gonna line up exactly, so I don't have to do any drilling. Let me show you what I got going on here. So I got the Curt model number, where is it? Where in the hell is it? Oh, here it is. 14053. So the 14053, it looks like it's going to line up perfectly on the holes of the frame with that one, and the long one over there. And I don't think I got to modify the exhaust. I think it's going to fit under there. I think there's enough room. Here's the specs on it, which is more than enough to tow that cargo trailer. I got all the bolts started. It wasn't that tough. I mean, I had to have my daughter come out while I held the hitch up and she started the nuts. But they all lined up good, didn't have to drill a single hole. Okay, it's installed. It went good. Went real smooth. I highly recommend this when all the holes line up. You don't have to drill any holes out. And it's probably best as a two-person job. If you had a jack, you might be able to do this solo. I had help. So you do have to lower the tire, the spare tire. For those that don't know, you just take that bar that's where your jack is and you undo this hole, stick it in there, and then just rotate it counterclockwise, and that tire will lower off of that cable. So I'm just going to install a shelf here above the driver's seat. Clamping it down, I'm going to drill it out right now. The shelf is in, just real basic. Drilled 2 holes in through this lip, the metal lip, and just a spot to put a few things. Now I have this idea to make a mount for the TV we have, and so I drilled a hole through, all the way through the back side here. I'm going to hang some bars down that'll have the TV on it, so that the TV will be up there hanging down when you're sitting in the van back here or on the bed. You could watch it. TV is mounted. Let me show you the mounting assembly. Here's the back side of the TV. As you can see, I drilled a hole through and a 3-inch quarter 20 bolt all the way through. And then you can just break these wing nuts. The flat bar was 10 inches long, M5 metric screws with the fine threads. So you drill 3 holes in a piece of 10-inch flat bar, 2 to attach to the back of the TV, and then you got the quick wing nut release here I'll just leave the bars on the TV for when we want to take it down. I'm only going to put it up when we're parked and parked for the night. When we're driving, this TV will store in the back. So there it is, folks, the TV, the shelf, and Kendall enjoying a water. There's Mount Rainier.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Can I wash my hands in that sink?
Yeah, go ahead.
There's Kendall cooking up tacos.
Here, Zach. Zach, we already have one of you. Oh, hi.
Okay, that's it for us today. Thanks for watching, and make sure and like and subscribe if you're into this van series.
We slept in a van last night.
Yeah, so we're kind of tired.
Yeah.
We'll catch you later.